Hi again, fourth graders, and welcome to session 14 of our Writer's Workshop. We have gotten so far with our writing, and in yesterday's session putting an introduction and a conclusion to our story's rough draft. Today we're going to work on revising our work with goals in mind. We are going to be taking advantage of something called the opinion writing checklist. Remember, writers, that you are always aiming to outgrow what you can already do. Use the opinion writing checklist we've provided for you, and today we want you to take a look at your draft to see if your work shows that you are getting stronger as an opinion writer. As you look at this opinion writing checklist, when we compare our fourth grade writing to the fifth grade writing, as an overall fourth grade structure writing, did you make a claim about a topic or a text and try to support your reasons? Did you support it with evidence as we get ready to write in fifth grade? For our lead or introduction, did you write a few sentences to hook your reader, perhaps by asking a question, explaining why the topic mattered, telling a surprising fact, or giving background information, as well as did you state your claim? If those are things that you did, you can certainly check off the grade 4 list that you are meeting that requirement. Using precise words to help state your claim gets you in towards the fifth grade writing checklist. And finally, with transitions, when it talks about words and phrases to glue parts or cement parts of your piece together, did you use phrases such as for example or another example, one time, or for instance, to help show that you were shifting from saying reasons to giving evidence, and words like in addition to, also, or another in order to show when I wanted to make a new point? If you include those ideas, you are meeting the fourth grade requirement. For fifth grade, our opinion writing checklist includes things like specifically or in particular in order to be more precise with your writing. Phrases like another reason or the most important reason, or phrases like consequently and because of to help show what happened. Also using phrases like this shows that is another fifth grade checklist point. So today, our job is to look carefully at our writing. You have to reread your draft and look to see, comparing it to the opinion writing checklist, look to see if you have met some of those requirements. If you need to include some of those phrases, put those in. You can write those in with your pencil or a pen. And as you work and revise your rough draft, remember that you're always working with a goal in mind, and that is to get stronger as an opinion writer. We'll let you get started on that topic today. Please begin.